thing sounds like a real race car, don't it?
Smells like that race gas smell, right? Holy moly.
Yeah, she won't run on nothing but race fuel. And it makes a big difference.
I imagine so. Yeah, I did see the rear end cooler.
Yeah, and that's the pump for it over there, the motor.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, and then the dry sump tank.
It's nice all cleaned up.
Yeah, that's the vent where they're putting the fuel in.
Okay.
That's the dry sump tank.
Yeah.
In order to make it easier for us to put gas in it, we didn't have to have that punch-in thing. We just built this, and you can spin it off just like a regular gas tank. But like I said, the cell went bad, so I'm just using this now.
Yeah.
And that was the air vent for the rear end.
Yeah. Okay. That'd look cool on the truck.
Yeah, you don't even think of stuff like that being on these things. You
Yeah.
know? And the hole there was where the lines from the dry sump went through the car.
Okay. Yeah.
I like that AN fitting on that gas can.
Yeah. And then the other thing that was, I never knew this, but they ran the gas lines through the car. And they had a metal tube. I had to take it out, so I just run the gas line through here like this.
Right.
And it's safer through there. They had the dual ignition on it, and that Chevrolet part. And I don't know. I tell you the story about the 5-speed.
Yeah, we did that in the last video for
Okay.
this one.
Okay.
Yeah, I like that dual shock setup. And those are the jack screws, how you adjust your
Yeah, your wedge.
Yeah.
Just the
your
wheel.
wedge.
Yeah, your,
God, look at that. That's some tire in there, isn't it?
yes, it is.
Neat brakes.
And these are the original wheels that were ran on it in the 70s.
So it's Together Custom Vans is what it says.
Yeah.
The J.W. Hunt car. Huh. Very neat. This is the motor that makes all that noise, huh? Sweet. Cool.
And these are the original wheels that came on the car, and they put chrome ones on it to make it look pretty, and they found out they couldn't run the chrome ones in because it wouldn't hold the lead weights. It would sling them off, so they had to put regular wheels back on it.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Neat.
Yeah, and this is another, you see them jack them up. Well, this has got the jack pad. Where is it? Right here. You run the jack. This is where the jack, and I'm sure at one time there was a mark here indicating where the jack pad was at, but it's on the frame.
Yeah. So you ready to get arrested? Take it to Circle K?
Yeah, I could drive it up there. That would be no problem, but these tires are so old. You see how they're
Oh yeah, yeah.
starting to do.
So we might drop a tire then.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. But a lot of neat stuff on this car.
Yeah, neat. I like the suspension.
Yeah.
It's very cool looking.
Can you squat down and look at the back? And it's got the dual shocks in the back.
Yeah, let's look at that.
And it's got the truck arms. Can't see it, but
Oh yeah.
see the dual shock, and that came off of the truck arms. Came off of a Chevrolet truck, and they hold it. They hold the rear end from trying one side getting in front of the other side.
All right.
That was a major motivation.
We can look on that thing and find them.
Yeah, they probably has truck arms on it.
Yeah.
No, it don't. And they did away with them by the time they got to here.
Yeah.
How about that?
Oh well.
Yeah.
You see the wheels? Stripped them.
Them new?
No sir. Just cleaned them up a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.